IEC 694, Common Specifications for High Voltage Switchgear and Control Gear. For indoor switchgear. 1. An ambient temperature that does not exceed 40 degrees Celsius at any time and whose average temperature does not exceed 35 degrees Celsius in any 24-hour period. 2. An ambient temperature that does not fall below -10 degrees Celsius or -25 degrees Celsius. Rapid temperature changes are not taken into account. Solar radiation up to 1000 W per square meter on a clear day at noon should be considered. 3. The altitude does not exceed 1000 meters. 4. The atmosphere may be significantly polluted by dust, smoke, corrosive or flammable gases, vapors or salt but does not exceed pollution level 2, medium as defined in Table 1 of IEC 815. 5. Ice coating does not exceed 1 mm for Class 1, 10 mm for Class 10 and 20 mm for Class 20 equipment. 6. The wind speed does not exceed 34 meters per second, corresponding to 700 pascals on cylindrical surfaces. 7. Vibration due to causes not connected to the switchgear, or earth tremors, are negligible. 8. Inducted electromagnetic disturbances in the secondary system do not exceed a peak value of 1.6 kV.